guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Happy Louis Vuitton Day, guys. You know what that means. I will be sharing to you what you need to know with the latest collection of Louis Vuitton. I'm going to share to you the prices, features, product codes, and of course the launch date. All you need to do is just kindly ready your phones and laptops, take a screenshot for your reference, and for pre-orders and availabilities, kindly check the websites or your CA. Guys, I'm inviting you all to stay tuned and watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Looking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. I would really appreciate it. Every new subscription, thank you so much. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright guys, so we are going to discuss the latest collection of PHARRELL Men's Spring Summer 2025 that will be launching around October to November this year. So first we have Keepall, maybe size 50. So the material of this one is the monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. The colorway is hunter green. So we are going to see a lot of this material on this collection. So just like with this one, we have the Speedy Bandolier 30. So this one, as you can see, the material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. So the cowhide leather trims is in the dark brown colorway, so it would come with detachable leather strap as well. So next on the collection, so we have my forever love, my forever favorite, we have the Keepall size 25. So zooming in, so this is now the material as I mentioned earlier, the monogram canvas in this colorway. So how do you feel about this colorway, guys, in the color green or color hunter green? Actually, I am loving this one, and I am actually loving that there are highlights of some of the Louis Vuitton logos and flowers. As you can see, it has two colorways, like the darker green, and then there is like a lighter shade of the LV logo, which I really love. So this one we have Keepall 45. So I don't think that the bag charm on this bag, guys, comes with, so kindly take note of that one. So we have Keepall size 35. So this one, guys, material is soft leather, if I'm not mistaken, with cowhide leather trims. So the colorway of this one is beige, but it kind of, you know, you would be reminded instantly that it kind of looks like an untreated vachetta leather. So it comes, of course, with detachable bag tag and leather strap. Then we have the very beautiful Keepall size 35. So I love actually this size, so I feel that this is actually perfect for me if I would not be getting the 25. The 35 would be perfect because it would be perfect for everyday. It would also be a perfect travel bag. What do you think? I love also that it comes with detachable strap. Then we have the Speedy 25. So this one, zooming in, as you can see, this is a Speedy. So the material could either be monogram canvas or soft leather, but the difference of this one, we could see the entirety of the bag. It has a print of dogs. It would come with detachable straps as well. Then we have Keepall size 30. So the material is soft leather with cowhide leather trims. With what I love about this one are the contrasting stitch detail of the bags. As you can see, detachable bag tag strap with minimal Louis Vuitton logo. That is a good sign. Then we have the Keepall size 30. Also loving this size as well. So as you can see, this one main material is in navy leather, and what I'm loving, of course, if you are a dog lover, definitely this is a bag for you. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright, so next on the collection, how cute, we have a dog bag. So as we can see, the dog bag is entirely made of monogram canvas and it is in a sitting down position. So as you can see, it also has eyes, has nose, it has a dog collar, and it has a top handle that is made of untreated vachetta leather trims. Next on the collection, another dog bag. So this time, I'm not really sure what breed of dog this is, but as you can see, the main material is white leather. Then it would come with classic monogram canvas and reverse monogram canvas. Which do you like better, guys? Would it be this one or the monogram canvas? Me, I'm kind of like leaning with the entirety monogram canvas. Then we have the steamer bag. So we are going to see many steamer bags, which I really love, just like this one made of soft leather with cowhide leather trims. As you can see how soft this leather is, I'm guessing it's kind of like a lambskin feel, and it doesn't come with any Louis Vuitton logo, which I really love. Very quiet, luxury, but also monogram canvas in the steamer style is also very beautiful. I love this style, guys. So as you can see, it has two top handles. Then of course it has features just like with the Hermes Birkin, but this time monogram canvas with untreated cowhide leather trims. Then we have another steamer. So the material of this one is cowhide leather trim. Colorway is hunter green and chocolate brown leather trims. It has a utilitarian design, as we could see. It has multi-pockets. I love the multi-pockets. Very easy to use. And then we have another steamer bag, but this time in the very minimal design. I actually also love this. Doesn't have any logos. It is made of soft leather. I love the silver hardware. So very minimal, very understated, but definitely very functional. Perfect for everyday, maybe even for travel. Then guys, let us discuss this trunk dog carrier. So this is the monogram made of monogram canvas with cowhide leather trim. So this is the close-up. As you can see it, how bougie if for example you are going to use this as a dog carrier, right? I could imagine this one with the movie White Chicks before. Then we have a trunk handle bag. So this one, the main material of the trunk handle bag is monogram canvas with the classic monogram details. As you can see, the monogram canvas comes with the printed dog design detail. It would come with detachable and adjustable leather strap. Next on the collection, so we were going to discuss now the shopper tote. So first we have the shopper tote BB. So this is a smaller size, so maybe that's why I'm naming it the size BB. So the main material, I am guessing this is like the leather of the P9, like a soft leather in monogram canvas. Then of course it would come in the size BB shopper tote. So as you can see guys, zooming in, so I love this design detail because the material is made of interweave leather goods. As you can see guys, super beautiful. Then of course it would come with top handle, and if I'm not mistaken, this type of bag comes with detachable longer shoulder strap. Then we have another shopper tote size PM. So this one made of the navy leather, and as you can see, very minimal. Then so it has the Louis Vuitton logo in front. Then on the entirety of the bag, there are random dog design as well. How cute! Then of course, next we have the BB size. So which do you prefer guys better? Would it be the PM or would it be this really cute BB size? I'm actually conflicted. So I love them both because of course for different occasion, maybe you need like smaller stuff, then definitely you could carry the BB, but if you want a bigger one, then carry the PM. Then we have another dog carrier. So if you want maybe a much more affordable compared to the trunk version, then try this one out. It's in the new design monogram canvas in the hunter green colorway. So I believe this would be much more affordable compared to the trunk design of the dog carrier. Then we have newer design guys. So I'm not really sure of what is the official name, so I'm just naming this one for now, the shoulder bag. And as you can see guys, the material, if I'm not mistaken, is made of suede leather. Very minimal logo. I love of course that this is a shoulder bag style and the strap is fully adjustable. Then we have a Christopher backpack on the newer monogram canvas. As you can see, this is the one that I'm talking to a while ago. The different variation and the gradient effect of the Louis Vuitton logo, I love that there are darker than there are lighter. Next on the collection, so we have the shoulder bag. So I don't have any clear photos of this one, guys, but as you can see, this is the zoom in version or look, and then of course it comes in the classic, not classic, but the newer monogram canvas design and the new hunter green colorway. I believe the dog charm does not come with. Then we have the nail side MM. Actually, I love the nail NM bag because as you can see, it comes with a leather top handle and it would come with a longer strap that you could wear this one as a crossbody bag. Although I'm concerned with the longer strap because I'm not a fan of canvas strap. How about you guys? Then of course we have the classic rush bum bag. So I love this colorway, guys. I actually really do love this bag. So if you are missing the bum bag from the women's section, then check this men's section of the bum bag because this is really chic. And of course I love the newer monogram canvas design. And then we have a micro bag. So we have a shoulder bag, not the official name, guys, please take note. So the main material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather chips. Color is hunter green and the longer strap is fully adjustable. As we can see here, it would come with vachetta trims as well. Then last but not the least, we have a shoulder bag, not the official name. It actually kind of reminds me of a Louis Vuitton dust bag. So I'm guessing that the material, if I'm not mistaken, is made of canvas with cowhide leather trims. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So hopefully you did. Kindly comment down below the ones that I've shown you, which one is your favorite. Also, if you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!